guys is to be here. I've wanted to make this for quite some time right now, and theirs is more like a painting, but I'm going to make mine 3D. So let's dive right into it. So guys, I'm actually off to my neighbor's house to go and get fine sand because the one in our backyard is not even fine sand. I guess it's loamy soil. I don't even know what soil it is, but it's too brown, and I don't want to work with that. So I'm actually off there. I just hope that they have, because if they don't, I swear this DIY is over. So let's head there. Oh, I see. Good afternoon. Please, I wanted to ask if you guys have fine sand.
What?
Fine sand.
Fine then.
Fine. Okay. Newsflash. They don't have fine sand. This is so sad. I feel like I don't even know what to do next right now. But there's one of my neighbors who's renovating their houses, but the main person is not around. I can't go ask the workers the thing. And she comes back tonight, so but it's even longer than my house. But so I finally got. Thank goodness. Let's DIY. To my backyard because it's messed up my workspace inside. It's really dusty, and that's why I encourage you to use sharp sand, like a better whitish kind of substance. I don't know, just like a very white like sand. Don't use this brown type, but whatever, use wherever you have. But I just feel the white sand is less dusty. Yeah. So I'll be adding my seashells to it, though it's not fully dried actually, so everything dry once. So I was lucky enough to get one more seashell, so I'm going to show you how I made it look like it's coming off the ground. So first I'm going to glue it to stay put. So I'm going to take a huge chunk of my top bond and place it around the edges. I actually like to use my hand. Then I go in with my sand all everywhere. I'll let everything dry fully because it's still wet. I'll let everything dry, then would make the shore. So guys, this is the third time I'm coating it. It didn't really come out the way I wanted. If you notice, it's having all these like marks. But I'm going to be mixing another paste with sand and glue just to give it that smooth texture. Like the third coat actually gave me the texture I needed. So I'm actually using pink for the sea because I'm trying to achieve that pink lake in Australia. I don't know if you guys have heard about the pink lake in Australia. So that's what I'm trying to achieve actually. But you can still Google the pink lake in Australia to get more information about it. so exhausted right now to go and get water. This method I'm doing is to give the illusion of air bubbles in the water. So I'm going in with my white acrylic paints to enhance the appearance of the seashore. I'm making it less visible towards the sea and more bold towards the sand. So I repeated the same process for every small waves, less visible towards the sea and more bold towards the sand. And we are done. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment your thoughts about this DIY, and I will see you in my next video. Have a lovely day.